So we'll start by wrapping this 5-foot hose with PTFE tubing. So this is the maximum we can tighten by hand. Next we'll use the wrench. Let's use a second wrench and then apply a counter torque. That's good enough. Next we'll connect the other side to our T, but before we do that we need to add the PTFE, wrap it with PTFE tape. Screw that in. We use 2 wrenches. It's good enough. Now we'll put on our gauge over here after putting on the PTFE tape. I'm trying to make it parallel to the front so it's not at a weird angle. So it seems like it's in the same plane now. Now we'll connect the filter. So now we'll put PTFE tube on one side over here. Now we will connect it to this T. That's good enough. Now we'll remove the tangle. Just gonna rotate it. And that should take care of that. Next we need to connect this to our filter. Make sure it's the right direction. Go in on this side. First we need to put on some PTFE tape. Alright, we've put on some PTFE tape. Now we can try screwing it in. Yeah, I think this is good enough. Just make sure the bowl is tight. Okay, that's good. Now let's put on our push connect adapter. Let's put some PTFE tape on that. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now we'll put our filter, make sure it's closed, the bowl is closed in this stand here, and we'll check for leaks just like we did for our 5% CO2 cylinder. Just disconnect here, disconnect from here, and then connect one side to the house air filter and the other side to our pressure controller. All the way in, and it should not come out. All the way in, and it should not come out. So let's turn the pressure on and see if we have any leaks. All right, now I'm going to pressurize the system. There was an initial hiss, but it seems like there are no leaks. You can also check the pressure gauge, and you can see it's about 100 psi, or close to 7 bar, a little less than 7 bar, between 6.5 to 7 bars, something like that. The inner scale is kilopascals, so just divide that by 100 to get bars. So yeah, it seems like our house air pressure is working. One thing to note is I already knew our house air pressure was less than 10 bars, which is why I did not test the pressure before I connected it. But for any other lab, any other institution, make sure your house air pressure does not exceed 10 bar, because that's the limit for the OB1. You can see it's mentioned here. The maximum pressure is 10 bars. All right. So let's just turn the pressure off by closing this valve. Close it all the way. And then this pressure will slowly drop, very slowly. But remember, the system is still pressurized, so if you try and disconnect it here, you'll get a huge rush of air coming out, and that can be quite dangerous, so don't do this. Okay, the system's now depressurized. We can remove this and reorganize our filter, so we can easily choose the pressure source for our pressure controller.